आर्किटेक्ट का मतलब ये है कि अगर आपको लुटना है तो आप आर्किटेक्ट हायर कर लो। इसने मेरी वो सोच बदली कि नहीं, आर्किटेक्ट आपके एक बुरे से मकान में अपनी अगर अच्छा है तो जान डाल देते हैं।
As we enter the house, the entry is designed as a soft transition from the outside into the home.
Hello, I'm architect Mahendra Singh Rajawat, and I create experience through architecture. For me, this renovation is about bridging the gap between aesthetics and practical architecture.
When this project came to us, it was an south-facing existing structure, not a blank site. The ground floor originally had two commercial shops in front. Width of the plot is 33 feet wide and the depth of the plot is 66 feet. It is a south-facing plot located in Jaipur. This is the existing toilet. Behind this toilet there is a master cabin and on the other side there is an office chamber. Behind the chamber there is a store. The load-bearing walls marked in red are the biggest hurdle for our planning. So we have to demolish them. By demolishing them, this is what we have achieved. The son's bedroom has a playful character, introduced through a feature wall. The rest of the room remains neutral, ensuring visual balance with overall design of the house. Daughter's bedroom introduces a soft and more personal language. Gentle colors and curved elements make the room feel warmer and timeless, while remaining flexible for future needs.
सुंदर है,
लाइटिंग भी है, सनलाइट आती है और ऐसे कंजस्टेड भी नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है, तो सब ऑल एंड ऑल अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा।
जैसे डॉटर का रूम है तो वो तो एकदम सडन ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे इमेजिनेशन के साथ बनाया है ना। उसकी वाइब पूरे घर में सबसे अच्छी वाइब है, सबसे ब्यूटीफुल है वो रूम।
The master bedroom is designed as a quiet retreat. Instead of changing the room size, we worked with finishes, furniture, and lighting to create a sense of comfort and calm. Earlier, the house has broken spaces with no visual connection. By recognizing the layout, the central hall now becomes the spine of the home, connecting all rooms naturally. The dining space is kept visually open, making the house feel larger without increasing the built-up area.
ये सीलिंग है मुझे पसंद नहीं थी, बट महेंद्र की जिद की वजह से बनी, लेकिन बनी तो सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है अभी।
These are the toilet area, where toilet 1 is accessible from master bedroom, toilet 2 is accessible from daughter's bedroom, and this is common toilet. This is a storage console, which gives an unique ambience to the hall. Introducing modular cabinetry and improving light and ventilation. The space now feels cleaner and more efficient. Durable materials and simple finishes ensuring long-term ease of maintenance.
मेरा फेवरेट कॉर्नर है मंदिर।
The puja space was retained in its original role, but refined to feel calm and more focused. The existing staircase was very congested, so we removed it and made a much airy and open staircase. As a part of renovation, the area below the staircase is used as a storage, and in front of the storage unit, there is a TV unit. This renovation shows that good design is not about doing more, but about doing what is necessary. By respecting this existing structure and making thoughtful design choices, this house was transformed into a home.